The only thing that's not uncovered metal in my car is like the front dash, the two front seats, the A-pillar, just the A-pillar actually now that I think about it, and the ceiling. Ah, fuck. So, and my car is parked outside. And it is, oh god, it's so unbelievably cold. Woo! Swing low. I need to try to get the ability to either park my car in the garage or use the Peachy Cruiser, because it's too cold in the morning. I'm worried about stuff in the car actually like freezing. I don't think we're gonna get down to freezing anytime soon, but like I don't want my headlight fluid for the pop-up lights to freeze, and I don't want stuff to just, you know, freeze up and when I start something pops and blows up. Or not blows up, but pops off and dumps a bunch of fluid of some kind on the ground. Because that would be very bad. Oh, I have tire wear on. Whoa. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to park my car in the garage. I feel like that's asking a lot, but I think it's a very reasonable request, but I think it's asking a lot. And if I ask to use the other car every day, I know I'm gonna get a fucking... She's gonna throw a damn fit. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yes, take it. Take it, me. Oh, balls. Well, shit. Come on. I know better than that. Damn it! It's amazing how small one little mistake can, like, widen that much of a gap. Even though that wasn't a small mistake. That was a pretty big mistake. But still, you know what I mean. Oh, shit. God damn. Tires aren't that bad. Lap 15? Let's see, if each lap takes about a minute and a half. Oh my god. Oh wait, no, but I was doing this for a while before I started recording. Bored of seeing the same thing over and over and over again. Alright, I'll switch. Hurry baby, love is never a sensation. Faster than the PT Cruiser. Don't pay attention to that. That's kind of... Although to be fair, in the PT Cruiser I gripped the whole time. And I did run around that track a lot in the PT Cruiser. Let's see, what can I do? Should I do... No. Ooh, special stage. Yes. Yeah. The straightaway will be boring, but... let's do that. Excuse me. Duh. I forgot I used a DeLorean on this course. That's funny. I had 2 plans that were made this week. 2 plans. One was to go to archery, and the other was to see The Hobbit. And the person I was going to go to archery with said they would let me know their schedule on Friday, and then we could plan for the week. They never got back to me. And I'm not going to hold someone's hand to go hang out. So, we didn't go to archery. Ooh. Oh shit. That is way too fast. Don't pay attention to that. So, yeah, we didn't go to archery. Oh my god, I'm just balsing it up everywhere. Okay, relax. Go back to reset. Okay. And the people I was supposed to go to The Hobbit with, I don't know what happened with that, but we were going to go on one of the cheap nights to go see movies where it's like $5. Which, not that I'm saying that movie is a $5 movie, but I mean, hey, why not? And I thought it was supposed to be on Wednesday, and it wasn't, I guess. I don't know. And then I was like, well, maybe it's Thursday. But either way, they never got back to me. Right? I don't think so. Check my phone really fast. I can't hear anything with these headphones on. No. They never got back to me, so we didn't go see that. I haven't been on this course in so long. Okay. I remember now. Ooh. So yeah. And then out of nowhere, I went and hung out with Mei Ling. We went and just went over to her house and we watched Ted. And she gave me food. And then Ocelot eventually came over, and Ocelot's girlfriend was there. Oh, this is really fast. Okay. Almost recovered. Oh god, I can't. I've got like 8 things going through my head, and I can't focus on anything. I wish I could just drive around like this all the time. It's like, oh, turn, meh, slightly drift through it. Come up to a red light, turns green. It's like, oh, need to make a U. Bam, just take the U and then spin out like a bitch. Wow. That's why I don't use follow chase cam. So I can't drive in that mode. Eh. Oh shit, I forgot that was that rough. It's almost Christmas. Doesn't even feel like Christmas. I don't feel like it was just like a kid thing. But like, when I was younger, not just me, but like the whole community was more into festivities and stuff. And I don't really feel it has to do with the economy necessarily. And I'm not even going to get into the economy, but I just think that, like, when I was a kid, there was, for Halloween, it was near impossible, even in the town I live in, to go on any residential street and at least like 3/4 of the houses not being Halloweened out with like pumpkins and cobwebs. Even haunted houses. There were some people that did amazing haunted houses. But and then like Christmas, people always having lights out and stuff. There was a guy down the street from me that had an amazing like setup. His whole house, it looked like you'd walk outside and it would be like daylight if you looked down at his side of the street. But he got old. Not to be rude, but he was pretty old even when he did it, and he just couldn't do it anymore. He can't get up on the roof. So I could understand why he didn't do it, but oh, perfect. But now I haven't seen any Christmas lights. You know, the only place I've seen Christmas lights, oh, you know, I don't go out that often at night though. But still, even so, like, I don't see any kind of decorations out even while I'm driving around. But what am I getting at? I don't see any, oh yeah, I don't see any Christmas lights anywhere anymore. Like, no decorations. Doesn't feel like holidays happen anymore. Oh man, I took that last turn really well on my Ghost. I just, like, people just don't do stuff anymore. Is it just me? Is it just here where I live? Or is it everywhere? Oh, I'm doing really good this time. So, it's a song I'm listening to. I love this song. But, oh shit, that was really early. I'm like really focused because I'm actually doing kind of well. Well, that was bad. But yeah, it's just like festivities don't seem to happen anymore. It's like no one cares. I don't know. I don't even really know when it started happening. Because I stopped dressing up for Halloween and I stopped going trick-or-treating when I was in 8th. No. Was it 8th grade or was it 5th? I don't know. It was somewhere around middle school. I just stopped celebrating Halloween and I just stopped celebrating Christmas. I didn't get anyone gifts. No one would really get me gifts either, but wow, look at me go. Shit. Let's see if I can watch myself do this. I like how it like perfectly follows those tracks. I was watching some of Laughing Octopus's vlogs. She lives in Hawaii right now. And there seemed to be a ton of Christmas stuff